Are you locked out from using Grok AI? Well, in this video, I am going to show how to create videos like this.
My children, education is the key to your future. Listen to your teachers and study hard. It will open doors for you.
Using Grok AI for completely free and unlimited. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will also show you how to keep generating even after you hit limits. The platform we are going to use is called Grok AI. You can search it directly in your browser or grab the link in the description below. When you click on Explore APIs, you get access to all the 64 models, including Grok, Imagine, Google VO3, Sora 2, Banana Pro, and others, all for free. But since we are here for Grok AI, click here and search for it. It's right here. Click on Try It and the interface will load. As you can see, this is Grok Imagine, and from here we can generate different kinds of content, edit images, generate videos from images or text, generate images, extend the length of the video, or upscale it for enhanced quality. I highly recommend generating images from another site and only come here to generate videos to maximize use of free credits. Alright, let's generate a few videos, and I am starting with text to video. Here in the prompt box is where you describe your video idea, and you can include dialogue since Grok supports talking characters. Then set the aspect ratio. I am choosing 16:9 for standard YouTube videos. You can generate clips up to 10 seconds, but I am setting this to 6. Choose 720p for a higher resolution and then hit generate. If you are finding value in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel since I will be making more videos on how to use Grok for free. Here is the generated video.
This traffic is crazy, but the sunset is beautiful.
It is. I'm glad we took this drive.
Me too.
This is insane. Generating videos with multi-dialogue without paying a single coin. This is a game changer if you are into creating documentary or story videos involving dialogue. Let's generate another video. This time I am pasting this prompt of a mother talking to her children. I am keeping the settings as before and generate. Okay, the video is ready, and you can click here and download it to your device.
My children, education is the key to your future. Listen to your teachers and study hard. It will open doors for you.
The video looks realistic, the lip sync is perfect, and there are no visible AI glitches. Honestly, this is a powerful tool to keep using Grok for free, and if you stick to the end, I will show you a trick to generate unlimited videos. This time, I will switch to image to video generation. This gives you more control than using only a text prompt. Click here and upload your image, such as this one, and then add a simple motion prompt describing your video. I want the person to look straight into the camera and say, "Knowledge is power. Now you know this platform exists," and then he smiles. I will confirm the settings as before and generate. And this is what we get.
Knowledge is power. Now you know that this platform exists.
This is absolutely stunning. You can see the wind blowing newspapers as the camera slowly zooms in. He slightly looks into the camera and starts talking, and the voice does not sound robotic. Here comes the part most of you have been waiting for, unlocking unlimited generations. The trick is simple. If you run out credits, log out and log in with another email and continue generating. This is how you can keep using Grok AI for free using this platform. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you will be the first to get notified when I upload a new video.